Ishwara Rama, F for Falguna Rama, H for Gunatma Rama, H for Hanumata Rama, I for Inaya Rama, J for Jagadadi Rama, K for Kaushalya Rama, L for Lakshmana Rama, N for Mallara Rama, N for Narara Rama, O for Omkara Rama, P for Purushottama Rama, Q for Kushalava Rama, R for Raghukula Rama, S for Sita Rama, T for Taraga Rama, U for Uttara Rama, V for Vasishtha Rama, W for Vaikunta Rama, X for Jitendra Rama, Y for Vaikunta Rama, Z for